Good morning this Monday, the 7th of November. I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the local market rebounded from Thursday's sell-off on Friday to close the session 0.5% higher, boosted by a surge in energy stocks on the back of a rebound in the price of oil, up 4.3% to $98.74 a barrel. Block Inc was the leading stock on Friday, gaining 10.93% after the fintech company released a Q3 trading update that beat market expectations. Coronado Global Resources extended its rally on Friday, adding 8.61%, while Allkem added just over 6% in the last trading session of the week. On the losing end of the market, Ramelius Resources fell 5.63% on Friday, despite no price-sensitive news out of the gold mining company. Blackmores fell 3.72% and Hub24 lost 3.27% on Friday. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients on Friday were Pilbara Minerals, Allkem and Woodside Energy. Over in the US, Wall Street rallied on Friday after non-farm payrolls grew by 261,000 in October, which well exceeded market expectations of an increase between 190,000 to 205,000 for the month. The unemployment rate in the US increased to 3.7%, with the biggest job gainers by industry including healthcare, professional and technical services, and leisure and hospitality. Average hourly earnings in the US also rose 0.45 for the month and were up 4.7% from a year ago. The Dow Jones added 1.26%, the Nasdaq rose 1.28%, and the S&P 500 jumped 1.36% on Friday. Pfizer shares jumped 1.4% on Friday after the biotech company announced it has commenced an early-stage study of a combined COVID-19 and flu vaccine. Over in Europe, the Stoxx 600 closed 1.9% higher on Friday after a big week of corporate earnings results. German sportswear brand Adidas jumped 20% on Friday to top the Stoxx 600 after announcing new collaborations following its split with artist Kanye West. Germany's DAX added 2.51%, the French CAC rose 2.77%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 added 1.03% on Friday. Ahead of the local trading session today, the ASX is expected to rise 1.32% on the back of that strong rally that ended on Wall Street last week. On the economic data front today, China's trade balance data for October is out, with the market expecting an increase in China's trade surplus to $95.95 billion from $84.74 billion in September. Local investors will be keeping a close eye on local data out tomorrow in terms of Westpac consumer confidence data for November and NAB business confidence data for October out tomorrow. In terms of commodities, it's a green run to start the week today, with the crude oil up 5.04% to $92.61 a barrel. Brent crude is up 4.3% at $98.74 a barrel. Natural gas is soaring 8.3% higher today. Gold is up 3.15% at $1,680.54 an ounce, and iron ore is up 4.71% at $89 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened to buy 64.64 US cents, 57 British pence, 94.58 Japanese yen, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration to start this week. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Strandline Resources following the formation of a pattern over a period of 35 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 43 cents to the range of 58 cents to 62 cents per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bearish signal on JB Hi-Fi following the formation of a pattern over a period of 24 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $42.50 to the range of $35.25 to $36.50, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolfe with Bell Direct. Have a wonderful trading day and happy investing.